Morning to all of you. Today I am Ashwani Garg. Our class topic is objective of business. Objective of business. Objective means objective are those endpoint for the attainment of which various activities are undertaken. Means objective means endpoints. Endpoint means after the completion of all the activity, what will be achieved is known as the objective, for the attainment of which various activities are undertaken. So means that objective of business, firstly we know about the objective. Objective are those endpoints for the attainment of which various activities are undertaken. So the types of the objective. There are two types of the objective. First one is the economic objective. Second one is non-economic objective, means social objective. The economic objective refer to those objectives which are done for earning profit, earning money. Means that economic objective are those objectives which are used for earning money. If we do not earn money, then the business will not survive. For the survival of business, it is necessary that to earn money. Social objective refer to those objectives in which we consider the interest of society as well as fulfill the social responsibility. Every type of the social responsibility, like as the pollution free environment, like as the providing employment facility, fair return to the investors, all these are the social objective of the business. So now I explain. First one is that economic objective. Economic objective are those objective which are used to earn money. If any business not earn money, then it cannot survive. So it is very necessary for the business to survive in the market to earn the economic objective. Various type of the economic objective, like as the profit earning or profit making. Next one is the creation of customers, and next one is the innovation. Means that economic objective can be divided into three types. First one is profit earning, second one is creation of customer, and third one is innovation. So now I explain. The first one is profit making. Profit making, every organization is established to earn profit. Without profit, no business can be survived. If a particular organization, enterprise have no objective of earning profit, then it is not called the business. So it is necessary for a business that to earn profit. Profit can be two types. First one is the maximum profit, means that maximization of profit. Second one is sufficient profit. If a business wants to earn maximum profit, then it set the objective of the profit maximum. And if a particular firm want to survive for the long time, then it set the sufficient profit. If a particular firm who set the objective of the maximum profit, it use the various type of the social evils and malpractices which are against for the interest of the society as well as the customer, like as adulteration, underweighting, as well as black marketing. A particular business with the help of this type of the social evils to earn profit, but for a small time, not for the long time. But if a particular firm wants to survive for the long time, then it should decide sufficient profit. Sufficient profit means that to earn sufficient profit for the long survival in the market, as well as not do any type of the social evils, not use of malpractices. Means that sufficient profit can be earned after providing better quality with the minimum price. So a customer will again and again will come to you and purchase your product. So it is necessary that for the long survival, a firm should set to earn sufficient profit motive. Now the second one is creation of customers. We know that today customer is considered as the God. If our customer is satisfied, if our God is satisfied, then we will survive for the long time. We can survive after the satisfaction of the customer. So creation of customer objective is that to attract more and more customers. Customers means potential customers. These are not our customer presently, but they will become our customer in future. Means that creation of customer objective is that to attract more and more potential customer. For a business organization, it is necessary to survive in the market to satisfy the customer, presently customer as well as the potential customer. So creation of customer is very much directly linked to the profit making. If more and more customer attract to our business, then our sale will increase. If our sale will increase, means that our profit earning capacity will increase. So creation of customer directly indirectly linked to our first economic objective, profit making. Now third one is innovation. Innovations means do something new. Means with the help of new techniques, new ways and new methods can do anything and we can face our competition as far as possible. With the help of the new techniques, new ways, we can produce better quality of goods and provide it into the market. And with the help of new method, we can increase our operation capacity and smooth running of the business. So it is our economic objective, that innovation. So it is all about the economic objective. First one is the profit making, second one is the creation of customer, and third one is the innovation. Now second one is social objective. Social objective are those objectives which are taken the interest of society as well as fulfilling the social responsibility, fulfilling the social responsibility of business towards various parties. Means that social objective are those objectives in which we consider the interest of society. Means that providing employment to the unemployed person, providing fair return to the investor, as well as providing pollution free environment to the public, and fulfilling the social responsibility of business toward various parties like customers, society, competitor, employees, anyone. It is known as the social objective. The various part of the social objective is that first one is high quality goods at reasonable price. Means that it is our social objective that we will provide better quality of goods at the reasonable price. How it is possible that we provide a better quality of goods at the reasonable price? Means that we should avoid the old type of the social evil, like as the black marketing, profiteering, and underweighting. Means that the underweighting of the product. It is possible that to remove every type of the social evil, like as the black marketing, profiteering, we will provide better quality of goods at the reasonable price. Next one is contribution to the community development. Means that contribution in the community development. Community means the particular place where a particular person, where we survive, where we live. Means that society. Our social objective is to that to contribution in the community development as well as the development of the society. What will we can do for the development of society? Means that we will help in establishing hospitals in our society, as well as library, as well as education institution for our community development. With the help of the establishing of the hospitals, library, education institution, as well as the dispensary, we can develop our society and we fulfill our social objective to the contribution to the community development. Now third one is providing fair returns to investors. Investors are those person who invest money in the business, by purchasing of shares, debentures, bonds and other type of securities, etc. Means that investors are those person who make investment in our business. With the help of capital, we can start, we can expand, we can develop our business. So it is necessary that to fulfill our social objective, to satisfy our investor. In this way, we will provide the fair return to the investor as well as to shareholders. We will provide the dividend with a particular date, as well as we will provide the interest to the debentures as well as on the bonds with the fixed rate. If we provide dividend, interest to our shareholders, debenture holder, then they will satisfy, and in future they will make investment more and more, and we can increase and we can expand our business. So it is necessary that to fulfill the social objective of our business toward the investors. Now next one and last one objective of our business is providing employment. Students, you well know that about that there is unemployment in the society. To decrease the unemployment, the social objective of business to provide employment to the particular person who are unemployed in the society. So in this way, a particular business fulfill our social objective to provide employment to the unemployed person. In this way, we should also consider that all the disabled person as well as handicapped person, we should provide extra care and facility in the employment. So it is our last objective of our objective of business, providing employment. So dear students, today I explain objective of business, economic objective as well as the social objective and its part. I hope that you will understand it clearly. Thank you.